SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So you know what it is, baby. We gonna tap right on in. You know what I mean? Another week down. Another week to go. Gonna hit you with a nice full top-down analysis. Nice weekly breakdown. Of course, it's Tuesday now, 3:46 in the morning. You know what I mean? But it's Tuesday now. But nevertheless, we here. And I'm gonna let you know what Bitcoin doing, you feel me? So you already know what it is. Take a little swig. And get to it. But you know where we at and where we stand. Monthly time frame, most recent swing, most recent price action, most recent structure. Higher low, higher high, swing to swing, bullish expansion, bearish retracement. And now price is here at the structure of this higher low. Excuse me. One hit here, show respect. And now price created a small light candle, still bearish. You feel me? In this, what we would say bearish retracement, possible reversal, is all based on the price action we are encountering at these levels. And now, currently, the month of January, got 4 days and 16 hours left. You know what I mean? So we know prices in this bearish price action here on the monthly time frame. So to determine what price is doing currently, to determine what price is doing right now, we have to zoom in and scale into this monthly time frame price action to the weekly to determine what is price doing right now. And as you can see, side by side chart, you can see simultaneously what the weekly time frame is doing as the monthly time frame produces itself, correct? So we're going to dive straight into this bearish price action because we want to know what is price doing right now. We want to understand the higher time frame narrative to establish the bias of the direction of the market to put ourselves in the best position to capitalize. Understanding market structure and price action. So diving into this bearish price action, as we can see, we know same thing been going on and nothing has changed. You feel me? Well, take that back because something has changed now that we are in this new week. But this bearish expansion here, right here on the monthly time frame with this bearish sell, this bearish price action, this is what encountered here on the weekly. We got this one bearish expansion. You feel me? And still currently price is selling. But bearish expansion. In this bearish expansion, we got this internal retracement here. Inside of this weekly bearish candle, price encountered the open of said candle, show respect, and we got this continuation to the downside. In the end, as you can see, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks, price traded inside of this bearish candle here, encounter the open, show respect, encounter the close, show respect, push back up to the open, ultimately showing respect, and then buy out. Price sold down, close beyond the close of said candle. So now price is not trading inside of this candle. Now price is encountering the continuation out of this bearish candle that price was previously trading inside of for 9 weeks. You feel me? So as we see here, This is what price is currently doing. Price is selling. So now we know the weekly time frame. Of course, the monthly time frame is selling, and the weekly time frame is still currently encountering a bearish expansion. Excuse me. So we're gonna throw this weekly time frame over here. We know this is where we stand, current price action. So we want to know, and we're going to zoom in and scale into this weekly time frame price action down to the daily, so we can understand what is price doing right now. You feel me? So with that being said, when price respected the close of that weekly candle and we got that push up, this is the price action that we encountered on the daily. Price created bullish price action, swing to swing, retrace, continuation, swing to swing, retracement, continuation. And then with the respect of that weekly open, we got this impulsive move to the downside, breaking the bullish structure that price had produced coming up right here on the daily. You see, we got this breaker structure. So now price is encountering this bearish expansion here on the daily time frame. This is what price produced. So now in this bearish expansion, price produced this uh, internal retracement here. You can say retesting the breaker structure, right? If we just looking at the daily, this is what price we just top down. We're going to see what is price doing or what price has done to determine what price is going to do, right? So as we can see and what we're analyzing here on a daily, we see this bearish expansion breaking that bullish structure, internal retracement with what we see here, retesting the breaker structure, and then this continuation down, and now price is encountering another internal retracement here on the daily time frame inside of this bearish candle here. Yesterday price pushed up inside of it, and we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. Current price action, daily is bearish. We know the monthly is bearish, the weekly is bearish, and the daily is bearish. So we want to zoom into this daily time frame. So we're gonna go ahead and put the daily time frame over here, correct? Because we want to know what is price doing right now. So we want to zoom into current price action. Take it down to the 12-hour to zoom in and analyze what is price doing right now inside of that daily time frame. Knowing from the top down, higher time frame narrative. Bearish monthly, bearish weekly, bearish daily. You feel me? So we know we want to read bearish price action. So we're on the 12-hour reading this bearish price action, as you can see here. You feel me? Price encountered this 12-hour internal retracement here. When price traded inside of that bearish Maribosa here, when we said price retested the breaker structure, we see inside of that what price really did. You feel me? On the 12-hour here, we got this bearish Maribosa candle here, and then what? Price encounter this internal retracement coming up, retesting or retesting the open of said candle. Price is trading inside of. Show respect. Continuation. You feel me? Now, currently, Sheesh. Keep burping. Now, uh, excuse me again. Uh, got this bearish candle here and this internal retracement, price trading up inside of this bearish candle, encountered the open, showed respect once, and now price has encountered the open again a second time, and we can anticipate price to encounter a bearish continuation, right? This is what we're seeing. This is what price is doing currently, right? So as we see here, the 12-hour is bearish, encountering a bullish retracement, and we can anticipate a bearish continuation. You feel me? So we're going to go ahead and put that 12-hour over here because we want to zoom in into this price action, into this 12-hour price action to understand what is price doing right now. So right now, I'm going to zoom into this 12-hour time frame down to the 3-hour to understand the price action that is occurring and what we are encountering right now. So as we can see, we're encountering this bullish retracement inside of this bearish 12-hour candle. So if we are encountering a bullish retracement inside of a bearish candle, we want to read that retracement. So the bullish retracement price should and will produce bullish structure, right? So uh, knowing that, as we can see, this is the open of said candle. This is the impulsive move here on the 3-hour that price produced to produce that 12-hour price action. And then this is the price action or this is the bullish price action, the bullish retracement that price is producing, the bullish structure that price has produced inside of that bearish candle. Swing to swing, retracement, continuation, A, B, C, D. All right. Well, 1 minute left, and that D will be produced. All right. 1 minute left. Go ahead. 1 second. So, as we see here, in this bullish retracement, price encountered right here, an internal retracement, right? Price pushed up into the open of that 12-hour candle, showed respect. We got that sell. Just understanding and reading the retracement. You feel me? Price will produce that bullish structure inside of this bearish candle. We got this, sheesh, we got this bullish price action creating this bullish structure, this bullish retracement, and we can anticipate price encountering a bearish continuation. So we got the open of that 12-hour candle. We got the open of the daily candle. Price is trading inside of also. And then we got the 3-hour uh, bearish structure point. You feel me? Where price basically a resistance level. You know what I mean? But this is a structure point that I identify because right here, price encounter this internal retracement here, encounter the open, and got this continuation. So we know this is a level of resistance. And as you can see here on the 3-hour, we got this swing to swing here, as you can see. Swing to swing here, retracement. What levels are inside of these two swing points that can cause price to encounter its continuation? And as you can see, the 12-hour open, the daily open, and then of course this 3-hour structure point where price came to exactly, precisely, and now we're should be encountering this bearish continuation. But again, bullish structure. This is the structure of this bullish price action here. Swing to swing, retracement, continuation. So right now, this is the 3-hour structure, the 3-hour internal bullish structure right here. That price, we should see price target and break in disrespect, to where then we know for sure that price is encountering its bearish continuation. You feel me? So real-time analysis, current price action, this is what we are encountering. So again, we can anticipate this bearish continuation, and we're gonna go ahead and zoom in to this 3-hour time frame just because we can. You feel me? Just to read it on another level, which is my handy dandy 90-minute. And as we can see, what price produced here on the 90-minute inside of this 3-hour time frame. You feel me? Reading that price action, price coming up into the 3-hour structure point. We got this doji after encountering the 3-hour structure point, and then this bearish engulfing, or this bearish Mariposa, establishing and creating this evening star triple candle pattern. Bullish Mariposa, doji, bearish Mariposa, evening star, bearish price action. You feel me? So understanding the higher time frame narrative from this top-down analysis, everything is in alignment. We just got this bearish sale here on the 3-hour time frame, and you just witnessed it in real time. You feel me? Now price is selling here on the 3-hour, so that's monthly bearish, weekly bearish, daily bearish, 12-hour bearish, and now 3-hour bearish, and we can anticipate some nice bearish price action. You feel me? So that's how we looking at it. You feel me? This is how we see it. This is how we see it. This is what it is. And it's really nice. Where we at? Okay. So as you know, you heard it here first, baby. Yeah, I just like to take you back. You feel me? That's it. This is how we do it. Yeah, I know. But you heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. Yeah, because your boy about to retire. I'm on the way.